Looks like the sun might come out again. Yeah, the sun's definitely peeking out, so maybe we'll get a rainbow. If we do, it'll probably be in the front of the house because of where the sun is. The sun's way over in the west right now. It's around the time for the sun to start its descent. There's some more lightning. If my kids had gone swimming when I told them to, we probably would have had to get out anyway. Because we would have been caught in this thunderstorm. I love the thunderstorms in the summer. Oh. Bad couple days here. Not because of the storm. Just, tempers running high in our house. When I was a kid, I always used to know when the storms were coming because I would hear the birds, and the birds call out to each other, warning each other that bad weather's coming and to take cover. And my grandpa always taught me how to recognize those things. I can tell if there's a predator around or a storm coming or what by the way the birds behave. Farmers know, depending which way a caterpillar is going on a tree, what the weather's going to be. Alright guys, you probably heard enough thunder for now. If it gets real good, maybe I'll video again. Blessed be.